Okay, listen up. I only got like 1 minute because Steve Jobs doesn't want me to record this video and give you this information. I only have like a gigabyte left on this phone, and I'm gonna make the most of it. So, if you're trying to clean Plastidip from your second-hand riced out vehicle, I got you. What you're gonna need is WD-40, good old trusty WD-40. Not 39, not 41. WD-40. One of these plastic screw tools will come in handy, and paper towels. Maybe you haven't heard it before, but it's nice. And what you're also probably gonna need is one of these thumbs. What I did, shake up your WD-40, spray it on here. You're gonna wanna let it sit for like 5 minutes. Honestly, try to control the overspray. And I'll try to get this on camera. I did the Z, but you weren't looking because the video was not recording because the storage was full. But what you're gonna wanna do should be obvious at this point. Just scrape it off with these tools. It works for some, like the main logo, a little bit better, but even for this, just take your nail. It's not that hard, guys. Unrice your vehicles. I didn't spray the Plastidip on, but I'm sure gonna be the one to take it off. Look at that. Voice crack. That was edited in with AI. Look how much better that looks. You can't even see it in the glare of the sun, but I can assure you it's coming off. So I don't have time to do this whole thing. Go grab a snack and come back. And boom, it's basically done, guys. Look at that. What did I tell you? It's like a brand new car now. You just spray it down and get rid of all that nasty WD-40 you put on it. I might even take it for a car wash. It's a brand new car now. Look at that. Super easy. So much better. All right, hope this helps you guys. See you.